Welcome to FOSS Pulse News, bringing you the latest in free and open source software. Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS is now available for download, powered by the Linux kernel 6.17. The latest Ubuntu long-term support, LTS version 24.04.4, has been released with significant updates including support from the new Linux kernel 6.17. This release focuses on providing enhanced stability and security improvements while continuing to support a wide range of devices. Users can expect better hardware compatibility, particularly for newer models, thanks to updated drivers in the kernel. Upstream changes disrupt Smartcard FIPS authentication, prompting a swift fix. An upstream modification unexpectedly disrupted Smartcard FIPS authentication in Ubuntu systems, causing security concerns and operational challenges for users relying on this feature. GitHub Tray GNOME Shell extension displays GitHub repositories and system tray. The GitHub Tray GNOME Shell extension allows users to easily monitor their GitHub repositories directly from the system tray on a GNOME desktop environment. This tool integrates seamlessly with GNOME, providing quick notifications and updates about repository activities such as pull requests and issues. It enhances productivity by reducing the need to switch between applications to check for updates on GitHub projects. Intel simplifies energy monitoring for task groups in Linux 7.0. With the release of Linux kernel version 7.0, Intel has introduced an easier way to monitor energy consumption for groups of tasks on Linux systems. This enhancement leverages improved resource control mechanisms that allow users and system administrators to track power usage more accurately across task clusters. The update specifically targets scenarios where precise energy management is crucial, such as in data centers or performance-sensitive environments. Linux News Update. Highlights from FOSS Weekly number 26.07. FOSS Weekly number 26.07 covers exciting developments in the open source world, including kernel 6.19 updates and AI tools for sysadmins. The Linux kernel 6.19 introduces significant changes aimed at improving system performance and hardware compatibility. Additionally, there is a focus on utilizing artificial intelligence to assist with real-world system administration tasks. Furthermore, new methods are explored to run Arch-based applications seamlessly on Ubuntu systems. AMD unifies video decode across RadeonSI and RADV for improved efficiency. AMD has successfully unified video decoding capabilities between the RadeonSI and RADV drivers, streamlining performance across both Vulkan and OpenGL frameworks. This development ensures consistent video playback quality and efficiency on AMD PUs, benefiting users by simplifying driver management and enhancing overall media experience. Linux 7.0 network enhancements. Focus on next-gen Wi-Fi and legacy Ethernet support updates. The upcoming Linux 7.0 release brings significant advancements to its networking stack, preparing for the introduction of Wi-Fi 8 ultra-high-rate (UHR), while retiring support for the parallel port Ethernet driver. This update aims to enhance wireless connectivity capabilities to meet future technological demands, particularly with the rising need for faster and more reliable wireless communication standards. Ecrio and Canonical discussed open platforms, edge AI, and sovereign telco clouds at MWC Barcelona. At the MobiWorld Congress in Barcelona, Ecrio and Canonical highlighted their collaboration on open platforms, focusing on edge, artificial intelligence, AI, and sovereign telecom clouds. This partnership aims to enhance network performance through advanced cloud technologies and decentralized data processing at the network's edge. By leveraging the Ubuntu operating system from Canonical, telecom operators can deploy secure and scalable AI solutions tailored for edge environments. Intel updates Linux with enhanced cache-aware scheduling. By 26, Intel has announced plans to integrate a new version of cache-aware scheduling into the Linux kernel by 2026, aiming to boost performance on multi-core processors. This update, known as V3, builds upon previous iterations by improving how tasks are distributed across CPU cores to optimize cache usage. The company expects these enhancements to result in significant speed improvements for applications running on Intel chips. Arch Linux has shown excellent performance on the new LoongArch architecture using the Loongson. The benchmarks reveal notable improvements in computational speed and efficiency compared to previous iterations. This success is attributed to better optimization for ARM64 Arc64 architecture, which allows Arch Linux to handle demanding tasks with greater ease. Users can expect smoother multitasking capabilities and enhanced overall system responsiveness. These developments suggest a promising future for ARM-based systems running on Linux distributions like Arch. Mitchell Hashimoto introduces Vouch to combat AI-generated flaws in open-source software. Developer Mitchell Hashimoto has unveiled a new tool called Vouch, designed to address the rising issue of low-quality contributions within open-source projects, often introduced by generative AI technologies. This tool aims to help maintainers identify and manage AI-generated content that doesn't meet project standards or poses potential security risks. Linux Kernel 7.0 introduces performance enhancements for Intel Xeon Diamond Rapids processors. The upcoming Linux Kernel 7.0 is set to introduce performance enhancements specifically tailored for Intel's new Xeon Diamond Rapids processors. These improvements focus on optimizing the efficiency and capabilities of hardware level monitoring, particularly through performance events. This initiative aims at better leveraging the advanced features offered by the latest Intel architecture, ensuring that developers can harness full potential in their applications. Linux Mint aims for fewer, more refined releases annually. In an effort to enhance the quality of its operating system, Linux Mint has decided to adopt a less frequent release schedule. This strategic shift is aimed at allowing developers more time to focus on refining features and improving stability rather than rushing to meet shorter deadlines. The longer intervals between releases will enable the team to incorporate comprehensive testing phases, ultimately resulting in a smoother user experience. NetworkManager 1.56 released with exciting new features and enhancements. The latest version of NetworkManager 1.56 introduces a range of new features and improvements aimed at enhancing network connectivity for Linux users. Key updates include better support for Wi-Fi networks and improved VPN capabilities, making it easier to manage multiple connections simultaneously. Users can now enjoy seamless switching between different types of connections without interruptions or manual configuration. FOSS Pulse News, your daily free software and open source news is wrapping up for today. Stay free, stay open, see you tomorrow.